On this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem easily and fast, just watch this video until the very end. So all what you have to do, first thing you have to open the settings page on your phone and then go to the apps manager. After that, all what you have to do is go to the apps right here and then go to Instagram. Now here on this page you go to the data usage and make sure that all those network access options are enabled, from the mobile data to the roaming data, and then go to the storage, click here on clear data and then go here and click on force stop. After that, go back to the settings page and go to the wireless and networks, then go to the Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again. After that, all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.